Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Newiballd Designing Developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google Photos in Java, and I hope you will be also enjoying this video also and this project also, like you enjoying me all the previous projects here. So like previously we have just covered up many of the projects related to Java of intermediate, and I hope you all enjoy that. Now coming up the series will be starting of advanced project, which should be also really helpful for you. Like previously we have covered a beginner project. If you are new here and watching this video for the first time, so my opinion is to check first of all beginners course. If you are a beginner, if you want to become full stack developer of Java till start to end, so check first of all beginner courses, then move to intermediate, because first of all beginner is helpful for you, then intermediate, because from that all the doubts related to Java will be clear of you when you will be just doing that. Okay, so just do that all things, because that is also really helpful. So here in future we will be also covering up many of other languages like Swift and C++, like these languages. I've also just uploaded the tutorials on many other languages. You can check that out previously online. I've uploaded on Python and Django, Python data science, and you can say AI, and I've also uploaded in like React.js and in JavaScript also, which is also really helpful for beginner. I've also uploaded the tutorial of like HTML and CSS, which is also really helpful, and in future I will be uploading the tutorial of Java, in which I've done all the things till start to end. I've just already recorded that, just I have to upload that, and it should be just really helpful for you, I hope. So I hope this video will be also really enjoyable and helpful for you. So if you are watching this video for the first time and it is helpful for you, so please hit the like button, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn about these things. They can also become full stack developer of these languages, and just also tell more people and just share the video more people to them also, so they can learn the Java beginner course and intermediate courses, and they can understand about this. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be building one Google Photos in Java. First of all, before starting the project, I want to show you how our it is looking, like our Google Photos, how it is looking. Then we'll be just moving on to next. So if I just open my Google Chrome here, you can see that there it is, our Google Photos which we are just getting. You can see we are just getting the Google Photos icon here. Then we are just getting the nav bar thing here. You can see at the left we are getting Google Photos. Then in the center we are just getting the search box, and at the right side we are just getting upload photos, and these all things like help and feedback, settings, Google apps, and we are also getting this Google account button, like when you will be pressing that, so you can change your Google account here and anything like that. Then if I just scroll down, you can also see this explore button. Then we are just getting the sidebar, in which when I'm just pressing on that, so we are getting a beautiful hover effect, you can see. Then we are getting the storage at the left, which is just looking really good, and these all things. Then at the footer section, we are also getting this like privacy terms policy, then your activity creations, categories, and more other things you can see. Then there is hidden checkback. Soon you can just upload your photos here. Like if you have deleted photos, like you have deleted from your device, it is only for mobile. You can also open it from PC if you want to restore your files which or photos which you have just deleted. So you can just restore deleted photos from here. If you delete, so it will be automatically go into Google Photos if you have installed that, and you can just restore all the photos which you have deleted, and it is going to Google Photos. So you can see how helpful will be just if you cover with that, and if you just make this project here, and it will be just in your own project also. So it will be just really amazing for you. Like in your project you can only save your photos which you have deleted or anything like that. Videos also you can just capture in that, and I'll be just opening my VS Code to just do that all things. So simply just open VS Code by writing VS, which is a short form of that. You can install that from Google by writing VS Code. First link will be appearing of downloading that there. You can see I've just already opened, and it is just now opening. So it will be take some time to just open here, and then it will be opening. It is depending on your PC, like how much it take times to just open that. Now I will be closing this and making one new file, in which I will be making with the name of Java. So here you have to make the name and return the name of like main.js. Okay, so when you want to save your file in Java, so you have to write .js after when you are writing any name at the starting. Then just save in any drive you want to save. I have saved in local disk app. You can save in local disk E, C, D, or anywhere you want to save. Here I will be just now making a div tag first of all, because in div tag we'll be storing over all the things. So here I'll be making this, write this tag, and now here I will be making this class name, in which I will be writing name, and then you have to close this here. Then I will be moving forward, but here I will be pressing enter. Then I will be writing this curly bracket here, in which I will be writing a tag like div dot class. Okay, but before that I want to make this tag. Now I will be making here animate. So just you have to write animate, then move forward and write name equals to class. Close this and now just change that to like animate dot name dot class. Close this tag from here. Then I will be just moving down here. I will be writing a tag which should be like effect key equals to frame. Okay, so like I'm telling you. Then I will be making this curly bracket again, and I will be now writing effect dot key. So just write that and then write here frame. Here when you done with that all things, I'll be closing this tag now. Then I will be moving down here. I will be just writing a tag which will be like audio buffer equals to. So just write here equals to key. So when you're done with that, here I will be moving and then I will be writing audio dot. Then I will be writing buffer dot key. Here I will be just making this tag now. Then I will be just moving down here. I will be writing a tag which will be just like here source mode equals to list. Then when you've done that, here I will be just writing a tag which will be just like here source dot mode dot list. So make this now, then close this. So when you've done with that all thing, just save this file from here, and when you've just saved, move here and then move down. Here I will be just writing a tag which will be like event element. So right here, then I will be changing that to a tag which will be like script. Here you have to close this and write event dot element dot script. Here I will be now closing this tag now. When you've done with that all things, here I will be moving down, and then when you move down here I will be writing atomics. Then just write that to animate and write here animation. Close this here and then write here atomics again. So just write here like that. Then I will be writing dot animate dot animation. So here I'll be closing this tag. So you have to close by curly bracket. Then when you done that, move down again. Here I will be just writing cache. Then right here storage equals to use. Close here, and then I will be just writing that to like cache again. So right here dot storage, and then I will be changing that to dot use. Close this now. So here you can see when you've done with that, just I'll be moving down here. Then I will be just making another storage tag. So just write here storage. Then just you have to move forward here and then make that to like use equals to. Here I'll be writing recorder. Then you have to just close this tag. So here I'll be moving and closing this. Here I will be making this curly bracket here, and then here I'll be writing a storage dot use dot recorder. Here you have to close this now. Then when you're done with that, here I will be just moving and then writing a tag which will be just like here confirm. So just you have to write here like confirm here. So right here you have to do and then write. And now when you're done with that, here you have to write open equals to editor. Close this. Here I will be writing confirm dot open dot editor. Close this tag now from here. Then when you're done with that, here I will be just moving. Here I will be writing a tag which will be just like here custom. Here I will be changing that to like effect equals to use. Then when you've done that, here I will be just writing, but here we have already done that, so here I'll be writing element. So write that to element. Then you have to write here a custom tag, and then I'll be writing effect dot element here. Here you have to close this tag now. Then I'll be just moving down, and here I will be writing a tag which will be write component. So write here component composition equals to, then change that to a tag which will be like div. Close this, move here and close. Then here I will be writing same thing here also. Then just write it to div, then close this tag. When you've done that, just save this file from here, and here I will be just moving forward now. You can see we have just done that. Here I will be making a tag which will be like dispatch. So right here dispatch effect which we have already done. Here I'll be writing event equals to, then here I'll be writing key. Close this here, then I'll be writing dispatch dot event dot key. You have to close this and then save this file from here by going to file and press save. And when you just save this file, if you open your Google Room, so our Google Photos project should be just ready if I show you. So if I open my Google Room, you can see our Google Photos project is just ready. Here you can see we are just getting all the things like which we are just getting in our demo. We are just getting our Google Photos icon, then the back box shadow which we want here. And here we are also getting the search box at the center. Then at the right side we are getting the upload button. load photos button, help and feedback, then settings icon. Then we are also getting Google Apps and this icon of like changing our Google account if you want to change. And if I just move at the side, you can see we are getting the sidebar things like photos, explore, sharing, favorites, album, utilities, archive and trash and storage. Many things we are getting. Then in the footer section we are getting privacy terms, policy, and these all other things. Here you can see these are some of the things here which we are getting in a Google Photos, and you can see how cool looking is there. So like that you can build your own Google Photos project in Java. I hope you understand this project and I hope you also enjoy this project. If you enjoy that, so please hit a like to this video, and if you on the channel, hit the subscribe button because it's really motivate me to make more videos like that and do more hard work for you, so you can also learn these all things and these all cool projects in future. And I'll be bringing up these projects of Java in future also, which will be really helpful for you. Like previously we have just done, so you can check my all the previous courses also, and just like that all videos also if you just learn and make many of the things from that. So just first of all check my previous Python videos which I have uploaded at the starting, and the HTML and CSS videos also, because that is also really helpful for a beginner. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.